Hello and welcome to a new video of Amaan knows AI. So China has again launched a new model which is KIMI. We'll be talking about and we'll dive deep in this model, what it can perform, what exactly and how is it better than the current models like ChatGPT, Gemini or DeepSeek, and we'll be exploring what exactly you can achieve or you can use this model for. Okay, so let's get started. Shout out to Techopedia for this article on KIMI AI. Here we have all the information that we require to start with KIMI. Here, Moonshot AI, a Beijing based startup, developed the KIMI AI chatbot. It is a large language model designed to understand and generate human like text responses, particularly in Chinese. Okay, so now this latest AI tool can handle up to 2 million Chinese characters in a single prompt. Oh my god, isn't it amazing? Making it highly effective for analyzing lengthy documents and handling complex tasks. Moonshot AI is positioning Kimi as a cost effective yet powerful alternative to the frontier models coming out of the United States, building it at a fraction of their cost. Alright, so here we have something. Okay, so we have an article on x.com by KIMI AI, and here it says that we are excited to announce the launch of KIMI 1.5 on the web. We have also rolled out English support, so that is amazing, and obviously we require English support, isn't it? So yeah, so they have rolled out English support, which is still fine tuning, but yeah, it is definitely, you can check it out and like validate how well it is working. If we talk about the key features, it is completely free with unlimited usage. Isn't it great? Real time web search across 100 plus websites. Analyze up to 50 files. That is insane, isn't it? You can add up to 50 files per a session, and advanced COT reasoning available at no cost. This is amazing. Like the models that we have in ChatGPT 4.0 models, or maybe the O3 models or such. So here we can see that the O3 and O1 are already in the upgraded packages list, right? If you purchase the upgrades to ChatGPT, and then you will only be able to use O1 or O3. But here the COT reasoning is absolutely free with no cost. Enhanced image understanding going beyond basic text extraction. That is great. Okay, so here is what Kimi K1.5 can do. Now, here we can see that it converts images into structured code and insights. Wow. Identify and pinpoint locations in geography games like a pro. Visualize confusion identification. Visual confusion identification. Distinguish between visually confusing objects like muffin versus chihuahuas. Here in this image, you will be able to see that there are a few muffins and there are chihuahuas, right? So it will be able to differentiate between all these objects. And color and quantity recognition detects colors and accurately count images in items in the image. That's amazing. So now let's put our hands into Kimi AI's new model, isn't it? Okay. So this is the interface of Kimi. If you log into kimi.ai, it will open this interface. And okay, here we go. I need to find software. Okay, so here's my prompt. I need to find software engineering roles in downtown New York for a 4 year experienced Python and Python engineer, let's say. Okay, let's hit the enter button and let's wait for the outputs. Okay, so this is great. It has like given me the results for software engineering jobs. This is absolutely great, isn't it? So here we can see that all the jobs which are related to software engineering are given. Also, what it has given is that it has found certain roles. Here you can see that I found several software engineering roles in downtown New York that might interest you as a 4 year experienced Python engineer. Here you can see that there is a senior software engineer at Department of City Planning (DCP). This is a government job, I believe. Location is in Manhattan, New York, and here's the description of it. If we go to the references, so here in the references, okay, so there is the original article over here, and from this article you can easily apply from over here. So This will make job searching and such tasks very easy, isn't it? If you are looking for clients, maybe, so you are looking for people who want a particular software, or maybe a client who wants a particular type of furniture that you make. So it has read 89 pages and it has given the results. This is amazing, isn't it? Okay, so what I will do is I want the name, the email, and the text description of the companies in downtown that hire SDs, let's say, in a tabular format. Okay, so it has read around 113 web pages, and here you can see that it has given me a list of companies. Okay, so it says that I found several companies in downtown New York that are hiring SDs. Here's the information in a tabular format. So it has given me four results: Benchmark IT, Capital One, JP Morgan and Chase, Salesforce. Email, it was not able to scrape, but for Salesforce, it was able to scrape the email as well. And here is the description for this. Okay, if we just change the prompt a bit, or maybe we can do it sales guys. Let's see what we get. Okay, so the answer, okay, the answer depends upon the availability of that particular email in the scraping mechanism, or maybe in the website that it is scraping, right? So here you can see that the company name is given, and here the emails are given, and here the company descriptions are given. I need 100 records. Okay, so it says, I'm sorry, but I can't provide 100 records of companies in downtown New York sales roles. However, I can provide you a sample of 10 records based on the search results. If you need more, I can continue to search for additional information. Okay. Okay, so it has given 10 records. Now, if you, okay, if let's ask of, let's say that next 10, please. So here we can see that capital one is there and the last one is Zscaler. So here, okay, so the next list it has given. It is starting from MetLife and it is going till cargo. So this is, I believe this is amazing, isn't it? I need you to write a personalized email for each company. Amazing, isn't it? So here it has given the output of around six companies, though it is not as polished as other models in the market right now, but still it is giving a decent output, isn't it? It is giving all the web results over here, and here you can see that all the outputs are given. If we go to, okay, so there's another model over here, KIMI 1.5 long thinking. So let's test this model out. I need you to replicate this image in Markdown. So it is reasoning and it is finding out the boxes and everything in the image, the newspaper cutting that we have provided over here. And let's wait for the results. The best part about this model is that it is a lot quicker than DeepSeek, isn't it? Isn't this amazing? So it has taken the images, it has taken like the input of that spans of those blocks in the images, and it is replicating everything in a markdown format in Hindi, and obviously it is multilingual. Has not given the entire text, but at least it has given a few like blocks of what exactly is happening and what is required. Okay, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment down below what exactly is your use case so that we'll be able to make videos on those use cases of AI, and we'll be able to help you guys with your daily tasks. Thank you for watching. Peace out.